vārds.
Tu iepazīsties un pajautā.
Tā, es esmu atradis vienam no skolēnu uzdevumiem risinājumu. Mums bija jāatrod lapačo koks. Pašu koku dabā vēl neesam atraduši, bet esam atraduši matē trauciņus, no kurš ir taisīts no lapačo koka. Un tad mums bija uzdevumi 2 lapačo un quebracho koks, un vēl mēs pie šī meistara atradām Palo Santo koku. Lūk, no Palo Santo koku viņš uztaisīja mums šos te lieliskos matē trauciņus ar mūsu pašu iniciāļiem virsū. Un tagad mēs lūksim meistaru pašu pastāstīt, kas tad ir tie koki. Could you please say once more the difference lapacho, Palo Santo, and quebracho trees? What's the difference and what you do with what?
Yes, in quebracho there are in Paraguay in every place, but Palo Santo, excuse me, lapacho in every place. Every place in Paraguay in every place, but quebracho and Palo Santo only Chaco, Paraguay.
Chaco, where the desert is.
Desert. It's very more hard.
Heavy,
but the more hard and heavy is quebracho. I do in every tree, but the more is duro,
very hard
is quebracho.
It's very hard to work with that.
Hard and heavy too.
You don't have nothing here from quebracho?
No. Quebracho there is...
Maybe the same like metal, quebracho.
Yes. It's similar in metal. It's very...
Can you please introduce yourself? We do a small movie for Latvian school children. And such episodes.
School children?
Yeah, for school children. We are teachers.
Oh, very good.
Yes. We travel and do for children that work.
I am Paraguay. It's very content for you see you in my country. And I like to know your country. Huh?
And your name?
My name is Santiago. I do in Taipú. I do everyone too. I like my job. Yes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Martin.
Yes, it's very good. This is Palo Santo. It's my favorite. It's very good.
Palo Santo ir Santiago mīļākais koks, no kā viņš taisa šīs te matē trauciņas krūzītes, un nu mēs esam arī tikuši pie sava.
It's for children mate with warm water and for children terere cold water. Very good.
Paragvajā dzersim tere un Argentīnā dzersim mate.
Así que uno cuadro.